it's not much longer until the graduation, and then you can...
Are you catching a cold?
I just have a booger or a bug or something up my nose. Tickles.
You're sick. It's obvious.
Huh?
まあ卒業演習までの辛抱だから。
あら、風邪ですか？
なんか最近鼻がむずがゆくって。参ったな。
お前、その症状。